Hey, what is good, YouTube? It's the Black Mask, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all good, guys. On today's video, hey, this mask, I don't know what is it that is doing to me now. On today's video, I'm gonna share what I learned from the hot forex market seminar. So, guys, something bad just happened. I recorded a video for 15 minutes straight. I'm going to find out that my screen wasn't recording on my PC. It wasn't recording for 15 minutes long. I have to reshoot this video, so I don't think I still have the energy, but I'm gonna try. So, guys, on today's video, I'm gonna share with you what is it that I learned from the hot forex market. But before doing so, I wanna share with you what happened with my week in my trading. So yeah, I blew my account. Let me hide this. Let me make sure now it's recording. Yeah, you can see now it's recording. I blew my account, guys. Let me show you something. Yeah, this was the trade that I took on Nasdaq on Thursday. Was it Thursday? I think it was Thursday, if not Wednesday. Yeah, it was Wednesday. As you can see, we had a resistance over there. The price was rejected over there. Price went to the downside, came to tap in, and then you can see this was the 2 o'clock close of a candle. You can see we closed bearish, and I took my sell over there, and then price went up to create the manipulation of the zone. And after here, price went to the downside, like whippy to the downside. It said whippy, and then it took me out, and then it went straight to the direction. But it's part of the game. You lose some, you win some. As you can see, I was floating minus 800. I found that 1k here, and then I lost it. And then the other setup that I lost was on Germany 30. As you can see, on Germany 30, as you can see, we had this area over here. We broke above it. Now we had that slight retest, and I see with the close of that candlestick, I think it was around 9 o'clock. I don't remember very well, but then I took that bar, and then price went to the downside, and you can see I lost that one. Let me show you its loss. You can see over here, Germany 30 here. You can see I was losing 1k, but overall with the account, you can see I've deposited 21,000. I don't know where that 21,000 comes from, guys. Sorry about this mask issue. I don't know. I have withdrawn 24,000. I've never touched the 24,000 in my life, but it's like those constant withdrawal and deposit, withdrawal, deposit. You know, that back and forth. That like so it keeps compounding. Not that I had that 24 in my hand on my bank account, like the deposits over the period of time, and those small withdrawals that I've done overall time. So you can see I'm up 2,608 profits overall in this account. But now I have Bloem account and I'm out of funds. Interesting. So guys, with that being said, I'm gonna show you what is that I learned from. I just wanted to be transparent with you guys with my trading. So now I'm gonna wait for next week's NFP. Until then, I won't be trading. So yeah, like the live account, I'll be also participating in the markets, keeping track of what happens. Obvious. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you what is it that I learned from the hot forex seminar. I've got a notebook with myself here. I wrote down the things that I learned from that. So I'm gonna go quickly over it. I don't want to make this video very long. So he said Instagram is a scam, ne? Not Instagram is an app, but the lifestyle of forex traders in Instagram is a scam. Ne? He said overselling. If you see a trader overselling big houses, the cars, it's not true most of the time. Don't believe everything you see on Instagram. Shout out to Francois from the hot forex market. I don't think I'm pronouncing his name very well, but I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it the wrong way. So he uses both the fundamentals and the technicals. No, so if there are no technicals, if there are no news, he doesn't trade. So he trades the US and let me jump you on the chart. He trades the US and the Europe news, because he trades mostly the Euro USD, the most traded currency pair in the whole world. So when it comes to fundamentals, he says the technicals, when they are simple, when your charts in terms of technicals are simple, the better your trading becomes. And he said make consistent profits on different setups. Don't be greedy and want to make home runs in one trade. And he's trading the Euro USD fundamentals. He analyzes from a daily, 4 hour, and then uses someone is calling me, sorry. he uses the 4-hour time frame to do his trend lines and then entry on 5 minutes. So I'm gonna show you all that he does, and then and everything there. So let me show you the technical side of things. So on the technical side of things, and I'm gonna show you of what happened on Thursday and Friday. Yeah, so he goes on a daily time frame. He goes on a daily time frame, and then as you can see, I marked my resistance over here because price was somewhere there. Then you mark your resistance, your support on a daily. Then you go on your 4-hour time frame. On your 4-hour time frame, so you draw your trend lines. You can see I drew my trend line over there and then there, and then you go on the 5-minute time frame. And then this is how he anticipates his directions. On Thursday, so this is how it goes. When price is closer to this resistance trend line, he anticipates that it is most likely for price to come to this one because it's closer to this one than it is to this one when there's news release. So with that being said, my phone is flat. I hope I'll be able. Let me do it quick. So he places his buy stops. He will place his buy stop somewhere around this place, and he targets 1:1 risk to reward ratio. He places his buy stops. This is according to his technicals. When price is closer to the resistance trend line, then it's easier for price to come to tap in there than it is to go to the downside. So at 2:30, you can see on Thursday we had the GDP and initial jobless claims. You can see it tapped in with a buy stop, and then it went to hit his TP. If it went, as you can see, this was a spike. If it went to the downside, I don't know what is but to the downside, he would have protected his capital from blowing. So simple, he protects his capital from blowing by using the stop loss, the buy stops rather. It happens that sometimes you will get triggered in the trade, and then it doesn't go to hit your TP, and then you go down. It's part of the market. You lose some, you win some. You can't always expect to win. Sharp. You get triggered with your buy stop, you hit TP, you are down. You are done. So now you wait for the close of this candlestick on your 5-minute time frame. You wait for this candlestick to play out. Once it's still playing out, you have already hit your TP there. You come here, you can see, okay, on the initial jobless claims, you can see there's less jobless claims today with this recording than it was on the previous recording. So meaning the dollar is strong. With that being said, on Euro USD, you can see the Euro is the base currency, then the US is the code currency. Meaning, if US is strong, Euro is weak. Now, at the close of that candlestick, you short. That's when you get into with the market execution. You go market execution, then you sell, and then you also do the 1:1 risk to ratio, 1:1 risk to reward ratio, or whatever the risk to reward ratio that you are fine with. But you can see it doesn't take much for the price to return. So with the 1:1, I still say you hit your 1:1, then you hit your 1:1, which is 1:2 already with those two trades or setups there. You can even scalp it and then full margin trading, and a slight drawback, and then boom to the downside. You hit your TP, you are out. I'm not saying you should scalp it. I'm just saying something that you can also do. So moving to Friday, we had core PCE. You can see for me, price for me here, it was around 2. You can see price was more closer to this support trend line than it was to the upper trend line. So I would have placed my sell stop there, hoping for price to come trigger my sell stop and then hit my TP on 1:1. On 1:1 for price to trigger my sell stop and then TP hit that's fine. But you can see I was wrong. 2:30 price went to the upside. I'm wrong, but my capital is protected. I'm not triggered in on that trade. If I said sell market execution, I would have blown my account because I was wrong. But because I placed the sell stop, I'm safe because the market didn't trigger my sell stop, and I'm safe. Now what I do is, okay, I go back to the trading view, and I see the release of the news. Okay, I can see the core PC index remain the same. And if it remain the same, to me it tells me that the US economy is strong because it kept the core PC price index the same or constant, meaning the dollar is strong. Again, I'm gonna wait for the close of that 5-minute time frame, 5-minute candlestick to close, because it is the half past now on 35. At the close of this one, then I'm going in again with a risk to what of what 1:1 again. 1:1, I enter a slight throwback. Let me do this. And oh no, 1:1, and the close of that candlestick there, 5 minutes, and then I saw from trading view how things are, and I jump in with a sell, then a slight drawback, and then boom, hit TP. You know, sometimes you gotta just say, okay, let me take my TP there. You risk according to your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance, guys. Risk tolerance. You get. So yeah, guys. But going forth, I'll try to record videos, me trading it live, showing it live happening, so we can understand clear. This is not my style of trading, but I think I can implement it into my trading plan only on Euro USD and only on fundamental news trading and only on hot forex market, because the guys from hot forex market, so I don't think they would not trigger your buy stops and your sell stops, because the strategy we learned from the guy who uses hot forex market. You get. So yeah, I would encourage everyone to use this strategy on hot forex market. And shout out to hot forex once again to hosting us in Bloemfontein, guys. That was a lovely session. As you can see, I'm already passing the knowledge to other people. Yes, sir. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you will be able to join the family, subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. And it's the black mask, guys. It's the black mask. Yeah, it's the black mask. And until we meet again on another video, guys, I love you. Stay prayed up. Pray to God, trust God, and have faith and believe in yourself. You're gonna do it, guys. You're gonna do it. Yes, sir.